Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in this video you're going to be watching me rebraid or retwist my 2 weeks old hair. Yeah, it's a little bit old. I've had it for 2 weeks and I need it to look newer. So yeah, I hope you have fun. Let's have fun together, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add in water mixed with oil into my hair because the strands look dead. I haven't put in moisture in like the 2 weeks that I've had it, but when after spraying the oil and the water, I spread I spread it evenly throughout the hair. I try to make sure that each strand gets enough oil and enough water so that it looks fresh. You can see now they are standing, but before they were just weird looking. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is old. Yeah, it's really old. There's growth in it. So the products that I use: Cantu hair dressing, olive oil, and Cantu leave-in conditioner, and those are the products that I swear by to help me grow my hair and to keep it healthy.
You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
So I always start braiding my hair from the front because the place that I start from is always going to be the neatest. So yeah, I pull out the first row of hair at the front. At first I wanted to do only one, but I eventually ended up doing two because I saw that when I do only one, it won't come out neat and looking good. So
even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So 2 months ago, I gave myself a trim, or what I referred to as a trim, but as you can see, the hair did come out even. Some parts are longer than the others because it was my first time and I didn't know what exactly I was doing. And yeah, now looking at the hair, I'm like, I need to cut my hair once again, and that's just me being like, oh my god, I want to cut my hair so bad. So I think sometime in the near future I'm going to end up giving myself another trim to try and even the hair out. Look at me measuring where I should trim it from. I just added the Cantu hair dressing and the olive oil. I ended up not even using the Cantu leave-in conditioner because my hair was already conditioned prior. So yeah, I just added in the Cantu hair dressing and the olive oil to give it like sleep and to prevent my hair from getting all tangled up and to give it life, obviously. So when I'm starting my twist, I first start by braiding the hair 3 times. I braid 3 different strands of hair and then I separate the hair and I combine the hair and make it turn it into 2 strands, and then I twist it up until the end.
There's not much to do.
I do this so that as time goes by, the hair doesn't become too old and come out too quickly, so the growth doesn't make it look too bad. So yeah.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Oh my god, look at how neat that is. The hair looks so neat and I love it. Yeah, so you can see I decided to braid a second row as well because it was going to show that the hair was old. So
and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
when I was done with that side, it looked so neat. You can't see it right now, but you're going to see it later when I'm done with the other side as well. Not me feeling myself.
Remember, you're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
You can now see the clear difference between the beginning where I started from and right now after doing the repair. Now one can know that I've only done like literally the first 2 rows of the hair.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you
If you look at the middle part of my hair, the middle braids, you can tell that yeah, this girl is a fraud, but no one can tell just by looking at the front and the back. It looks so neat, it looks good, it looks like it's just the whole head has been worked on, but unfortunately only the front and the back, because I am honestly about to undo this hair and put in like real braided hair. So yeah, that's it, and I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
all